Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the blow darts and confirming you have enough ammo. Once done, crouch and use nearby cover. Move to a vantage point that gives a clear line without exposing you. Line up the reticle on the target's head or neck because those hit zones down enemies faster. Press and hold the fire button to steady your aim, then release in a short, decisive pulse. Make the first shot count to avoid alerting nearby guards and to set the engagement pace. Once you've taken the initial shot, maintain pressure by moving along predictable guard paths and using perches for better sightlines. Time your next darts for when guards turn away or investigate noise, because staggered hits prevent group alerts and let you control the flow. If targets cluster, swap to poison darts for multi-target effects. If one high-value target remains, use a precise, non-lethal hit. Make small relocations between shots to avoid being triangulated by other sentries. You finish by ensuring the target is incapacitated and, if necessary, perform a silent takedown to hide the body. This prevents reinforcements from spawning. Once done, move to your planned escape route, rooftops, or a narrow alley work best, because leaving the area quickly avoids escalating alerts. If things go wrong and guards detect you, immediately break line of sight, use a smoke or distraction, and climb to a vantage point. This buys time to reassess loadout and try the approach again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.